Step number 1, straightforward. Step number 2, we'll come to step number 2, but let's go to money first. This is a website that makes $5 million to $10 million per month, and they have 116,000 monthly visitors. We are not to the problem yet. We will come to the problem, and then we will solve the problem using my software Maven. Look at their bounce rate. 67% bounce rate means 67% leaves from the first page of their website, which means 33% people stick to the website and go to other pages. This is a good signal to Google and search engines that this is a good website, and that is why they have good search engine traffic. But that's not the most important thing here. The more important thing, which is probably the most important thing, is the social traffic. 20%. 65% of their traffic comes from Pinterest and 31% traffic comes from YouTube. If you want Pinterest traffic, link in the description will give you my software that will help you get Pinterest traffic fast. And if you want YouTube traffic, just like us we are doing, we get $5 per view. And for all our shorts, we use our software Epic. Link will be in the description, you can get it. Did you like our video? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. As this way, not only you, but also your friends and family and your social media contacts will learn how to make money online, the real way, the right way, and the most reliable way. And you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Now, when they get social traffic and that traffic spends a long time in their website, that gives a signal to Google that not only they have good quality content, but also they have social popularity. So Google wants to send more and more traffic to them. Now in step number 2, we want to know more about where they're getting traffic, on which posts or contents they're getting traffic. So we came to Uber Suggest, which is a freemium software. You can use the free version of this software. Go to app.neilpatel.com or search with Uber Suggest, you will find it. Go to the traffic section, click traffic overview and put the URL of this software, select country US and search. These are the top traffic pages and these are the keywords they're getting traffic. Now they have a lot of traffic and we will download all that link as a CSV file. That CSV file will be available in the link in the description. You can get it. You don't have to use Uber Suggest or pay for Uber Suggest. But I want to show you something interesting. How to sell fit pics online for easy money in 2022. Gets 4,483 monthly visitors. Now before this search and this spy report, I had no idea that people are actually looking for selling fit pics. So this is how the content looks like. It's a pretty simple content with image, ads, and little bit of text. As you know, we will be solving this problem, the content problem with Maven, so we don't need to go to that. We want to know more about this keyword like fit pics. And what we saw is really amazing. 49,000 monthly searches for the keyword fit pics. Really, a lot of people are looking for fit pics. And a lot of people are looking to sell fit pics. These website owners are smart. They research first on what people are looking for. Then they post awesome content. And because the content is awesome, people, the visitors, love to share this content with the social media like Facebook, like Pinterest, and they get social media traffic. This is how we make websites using Maven. Click this blue add blog button. Copy the link of the website that you want to legally hijack and paste it right here. Click the create button and Maven will do its magic. So your content is loaded successfully. Now we want to add an image. We can use Google CC, we can upload new or use Pixabay or library. Before that, let's add a blog title. Click upload new and upload this image. The image is uploaded. Let's do a little bit of text formatting to match our taste. Make it heading 2. Make this sentence bold. Put this center on the center and make it bold. Put this sentence on the center and make it heading 3. And this is how we make money from affiliate links. We're going to embed our affiliate link right here. Click save. And the link is ready to make money for us. When we are happy, click save. Now this content is not ours. We need to rewrite it using AI or artificial intelligence. For that, click this yellow button. The content is rewritten. Now it's our content, just in one click. Click save Done. Let's add some more elements to make it nice. Click this plus button. We want to add a video, so click video, go to YouTube, copy the URL of the video we want to embed, insert or paste the video URL, click add, and the video is here. Let's add some more image, click upload or from library, click here, select the image you want to upload, click upload, select the image and the image is uploaded and added in the post. We can also add image from Google CC or Pixabay. Let's add from Google CC. Search for fit images, click search, and we will get hundreds of thousands of results. Just click one and add to the post. Do some final touches as you want, but don't worry, you can always come back and edit and update your content anytime you want. When you are happy with your editing, click the save button and the content is saved. Now this section is totally optional. This is for search engine optimization. Fill in these informations as desired. Once you are happy, click the publish now to publish now, or click the publish later button to schedule the post. Click this view button to view your awesome money-making blog post. Now you built an awesome website or a web page, you need initial traffic. For that, go to Quora.com. They have a lot of traffic. Search with your main keyword. Let's say fit pics. And a lot of people asked for fit pics related topic. When you open those questions, you'll see 19,000 views. Another one got 66,000 views. Really, a lot of views. When you reply them with your website link, these visitors will visit your website. They will share your content on social media. You'll start getting traffic. There is another way to get traffic from Facebook, but it's a little bit tricky. You search with your keyword and see when people are asking questions. Now you cannot really post your link in the comment because this way people will think that you are spamming. Instead, you share your website link in your timeline first. Then copy your content or summarize your content. Reply in the comment of the questions you get on Facebook. Visitors will see that you are helpful, and so they will look at your timeline. They will find your website, they'll visit your website. This is a good gesture, and this way you will find a lot of people visiting your website, signing up to your mailing list, subscribing to your list and your other channels, your Facebook channels. This way you start rolling traffic. So we solved the biggest problem, and the biggest problem is creating content. Everything else is easy. Let me show you, even money making is easy. Go to Warrior Plus and create an affiliate account, and then go to offer section from affiliate section and search for HostZpresso. HostZpresso is the solution of a big problem for people who need a website. Everyone who needs a website need to host their website, and for that they need to pay monthly subscription fees to the hosting companies. But HostZpresso is our company and we charge only one time. That is why HostZpresso is so popular. Another solution to a big problem is ShopZpresso. Almost everyone wants to have their own store, but again, building stores are not easy. You have to pay a lot of subscription fees to companies like Shopify. That is why ShopZpresso is so popular. So first of all, you need to get your affiliate link. Request for your affiliate link and mention that you are my YouTube subscriber. We will approve you quickly. Click this get link button. This link is your affiliate link. Copy link and embed this link like these places in your content. So when visitors will visit through your affiliate link, they will buy and you will get 50% commissions of their sales. Same way, get your affiliate link of HostZpresso and forward all your visitors to your affiliate link. They will buy and you will get 50% commissions. In our case, every time we send one visitor to HostZpresso offer, we make $4.78. So when we send 1,000 visitors, we make $4,780. And every time we send visitors to ShopZpresso offer, we make $5.14 per visitor on the average. So from every 1,000 visitors, we make $5,140. And these guys are even making far more money. They are making approximately $75 per visitor, which is awesome. How can they do it? Because not only they sell through their affiliate links, but also they run ads on their website. Through these ads, they generate more revenue. Now you know everything about how to make money. Build a website using Maven, create content using Maven, Do your research before, which takes you the time. Don't worry about it. I will download all this data in CSV file, all these spy reports, so you don't have to. And I will put the links in the description so you can download them and start using them right now. Once you make your content, start getting initial traffic from Quora and Facebook. They will love your content. They will share your content on social media. You'll start getting traffic. Google will take notice. You'll get more traffic. And from affiliate sales and ads, you'll start making money from today. But you have to solve your problem, your website problem and your content problem. Maven will solve your problem. You can get Maven through the link in the description. Go get Maven today and we will see you in the next video. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you will learn how to make money online, your friends will learn how to make money online, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Also, with sharing our content, our video with your friends and family, you introduce us to your friends and family. This way we get more views and we get encouraged to make more and more contents like this. So go ahead, do all those things and let's move on to the next section. Now, once you build your website, is there any way to make more money from this website? This can be the topic of another video. Leave a comment below if you want to learn more about how to make more money from your website, and we'll see you in the next video.